In a bold step to boost its national defense, Morocco has officially signed a deal to acquire 600 Stinger surface-to-air missiles, a powerful addition to its growing military arsenal. The FIM-92 Stinger is a man-portable, shoulder-fired missile system. Lightweight, accurate, and deadly, it's designed to shoot down helicopters, drones, and low-flying aircraft with devastating precision. These missiles will be deployed across Morocco's strategic locations, helping secure its airspace, protect critical infrastructure, and act as a deterrent against hostile incursions. With geopolitical tensions simmering in the region, particularly near the Algeria-Morocco border and the Western Sahara, this move sends a strong message. Morocco is ready to defend its sovereignty. The Stinger has a range of up to 8 kilometers and can hit targets flying as fast as Mach 2.2. It locks onto enemy heat signatures, making it a nightmare for enemy aircraft trying to operate near Moroccan skies. By acquiring these 600 Stinger missiles, Morocco joins the ranks of nations with modern mobile air defense systems. It's a major step toward military modernization and regional security. In a world of rising threats, Morocco is making it clear its skies are not to be challenged, and with the Stinger in its arsenal, it just got a lot harder for any enemy to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments.